Hello. So my name is Yogesh and we are doing standard 12 statistics part 2 chapter number 1 probability. In last lecture we have done illustration number 22 and in 22 illustration at last point I taught you that you have to remember this thing. If you got in question like this at least A or B occurs, then you have to use the formula P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. And in this, if only A or B occurs, then it stands like P of A plus P of B minus 2 P of A intersection B. Okay. If you get only A or B, you have to put formula like this: A plus B minus 2 P of A intersection B. I explained you how this formula has taken place, but it's fine if you write this formula directly and don't write, no need to write this explanation. So after illustration number 22, we will be doing illustration number 8. The probability that a teenager coming to a restaurant for a dinner orders pizza is 0.63. The probability of ordering cold drink is 0.54 and the probability that a teenager orders at least one out of the pizza and cold drink is 0.88. Find the probability that teenager coming for a dinner on a certain day orders only one of the two items from pizza and cold drink. So, what is the question? That a teenager coming to a restaurant orders only pizza. You can say he orders pizza as 0.63. So, let us write the question. We are doing exercise 1.3, sum number 8. So, this is exercise 1.3, sum number 8. So, let A be the event. Event that teenager orders pizza is 0.63. Okay, then let B be the event that teenager orders cool drink is 0.54. Uh, uh, uh. Okay, then what is given in the question? The probability that teenager orders at least one out of the pizza and cold drink. So here it is given at least one. Okay. So let us write like this: teenager orders at least one out of pizza and cold drink. So you can say that if P of A is 0.63, then P of B is 0.54. P of A intersection B is 0.88. So P of A is 0.63, P of B is 0.54, and P of A intersection B is 0.88. What is this at least one out of the pizza? You know what is at least one? Is it intersection? No. At least one means just yesterday or in the last lecture I taught you that at least one means it is a union. Okay, at least one means it is a union. So this at least one means P of A union B. Now, what they asked you? What is the question actually? Question is about find the probability that teenager coming for a dinner on a certain day orders only one of the two items. Okay, so you have to find the probability that teenager orders at least one teenager orders only one of the two items. Teenager orders only of the two. See now, as I told you that if you want to find probability that only one item occurs, then what formula you need to use? You need to use the formula P of A. You need to use formula P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Now what is P of A? P of A is 0.63. P of A is 0.63. And your formula for only one was P of A plus P of B minus 2 intersection. What was it? It was minus 2 intersection. So this P of A 0.63 plus 0.54 minus 2. Now this P of A intersection B. Do you have P of A intersection B? No sir, we don't have. But can you find P of A intersection B? Yes sir, we can. Okay, so we will be finding this P of A intersection B. So let us find P of A intersection B. See, you know what is formula of P of A union B. It is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection. Now what you have union with you. Union was given in the question. So 0.88 is 0.63 plus 0.54 minus P of A intersection B. If you get P of A intersection B on the left hand side and P of and 0.88 on the right hand side, it will look like this. P of A intersection B is equal to 0.63 plus 0.54 minus 0.80. So it is 0.63 plus 0.54, 0.63 plus 0.54 minus 0.88, that is 0.29. So 0.63 plus 0.54, that is 1.17 minus 0.29 into 2.58. So 1.17 minus 0.58, that is 0.59. So this is your answer to sum number 8. Okay. So maybe we have not done this one or two sum of 1.3, and maybe we have skipped an or two illustration. Let's see. Do we have done everything? Maybe 21st illustration is left. Okay, so we are doing 21st illustration in first and second sum of exercise 1.3. Three persons from medical profession, five persons from engineering profession offer services at a social organization. Two persons are randomly selected from these persons with the purpose of forming a committee. Find the probability that both persons selected belongs to the same profession. Okay. So, what is the data? Let us write the heading illustration 21. Total 8 persons are there. 3 persons from the medical profession and 5 persons from engineering. So 8 persons are there. Three from medical and 5 from engineering. persons are randomly selected from these persons with the purpose of forming a committee. So you have to select two persons. You have to select two. Find the probability that both the person selected belongs to the same profession. See how will you answer this question? First of all, we will be finding the total possibility. What we will be doing? We will be finding the total possibility. Now your total possibility is 5C2. It's 5 into 4. Sorry, your total possibility is 8C2 because total 8 persons are there. So this is 8 into 7 upon 2 into 1. So this is P6 upon 2, that is 28. Okay. Total possibility is 28. Now they are telling that you need to select the person belonging to the same profession. What same profession means? That means either the two person are of medical, either the two person are from engineering. See, from 8 you have to select two person. They have told you that find probability that both person belong to the same profession. There are two profession, medical and engineering. You are selecting two person means that two should be either of medical, it means same profession, or that two should be of engineer, it also means the same profession. So I'll write answers like this: two from medical or two from engineer. Two from medical or two from engineer. Okay, now these two are from medical. So what is possibility of that? Total how many persons are of medical? Total three persons are from medical. If you want two persons of medical, it's 3C2. Now this or means addition. Okay. And means multiplication, or means addition. You have to remember this. If you are asked and, it means multiplication. If you are asked or, it means addition. Two from engineering. How many engineers are there? Five. So these fives are selected from this two. So this is 5C2. If you want to solve this 3C2, you will be solving like this. It is 3 into 2 upon 2 into 1, or 5 into 4 upon 2 into. Okay. This leads to 3 2s are 6 upon 2 3 plus 5 4s are 20 20 upon 2 10. This leads to 10 3 plus 10, which is 30. Okay. 3C2 is 3, 5C2 is 10. So your probability that the person selected is from same profession is 15 upon 28. Okay, this was M. This was M. Okay, we solved this illustration 20. Even in textbook, they have solved with a bit complication. We have solved in a simple, understandable way, and that is acceptable in your exam. You will get full marks for this. Okay, then let us start from exercise 1.3, number 1. Two cards are drawn from deck of 52 cards. Find the probability that both cards are of number 1 same suit and number 2 of the same color. Okay, let us read the question. Exercise 1.3, number 1. Total 52 cards are there. Total 52 cards are there, and you have to select two cards. What is my question? That both are of same suit. Both are of same suit. Or both are of same color. First of all, I want to write total possibilities. Okay, so my total possibility, that is n, is equal to 52 C2. Now 52 C2 means 52 into 51 upon 2. This 52 into 51 is 2652 upon 2 is 1326. This is 1326. Okay. Now both are of same suit. What same suit means? There are total four suits: spade, club, diamond, heart. Okay. They want that you are selecting two cards and your two selected card should be of the same suit. That means either they both should be spade, either they both should be club, either they both should be diamond, or either they both should be heart. So, how many possibilities are there? As I told you that either they both are of spade or club or diamond or heart. So spade means they should be from this 13 cards. Total 13 spades are there. So 13C2, or as I told you that or means addition. Club 13C2 or diamond 13C2 or heart 13C. Okay, because you don't know that from which suit are we there. They have not asked you that find that both are of spade. Okay, then answer was finished at first 13 feet. But they have told you that both are of same suit. It means they can be spade, they can be club, they can be diamond, and they can be. So m is equal to, now this 13C2 means 13 into 12 upon 2, 78. So your answer is 78 plus 78 plus 78 plus 70. 78 into 4 is 312. So my probability is 312 upon 13. Now second, both are of same color. Now there are total two colors. 26 are of black and 26 cards are of red. They want that the cards you selecting are of the same colors. Now same color means it can be both black or it can be both red. So again two possibilities are, both cards are black or both cards are red. Okay. So now total how many black cards are there? Total 26 black cards are there. So it's 26C2 or 26C, both are of red. So 26 into 25 upon 2 is 325. 325 plus 325. 650 upon 1326. Okay. So the second sum we can do in the next lecture. That's it for today.